Monday, the Hickory Daily Record Online Unlimited was at the Hickory Police Department, where a press conference was held after the true bill of indictment for Elisa Baker was handed down by the grand jury for second-degree murder Monday morning. District Attorney Jay Gaither and Police Chief Tom Atkins spoke during the press conference.
Hello, my name is Jay Gaither. I'm the District Attorney for the 25th District, representing Burke, Caldwell, and Catawba counties. Earlier today, Catawba County Grand Jury returned a true bill of indictment naming Elisa Annette Baker in the murder of Zahra Claire Baker. The grand jury deliberated, and their finding of second-degree murder with aggravating factors was returned before Judge Robert Irvin and subsequently filed with Catawba County Clerk of Court at approximately 12 noon. The indictment reads as follows. Second-degree murder, the jurors for the state, upon their oath, present that on or about the date of offense shown, September 24th, 2010, and in the county named above, Catawba County, the defendant named above, Elisa Annette Baker, did unlawfully, willfully, and feloniously, with malice aforethought, kill and murder Zahra Claire Baker. As to aggravating factors, the jurors for the state, upon their oath, presented that with respect to the offense alleged in count 1, the charge of murder in the second degree, that there were the following 5 aggravating factors related to sentencing pursuant to North Carolina General Statute 15A-1340. The defendant, Elisa Baker, had a history and pattern of physical, verbal, and psychological abuse of the victim, Zahra Baker. That the defendant, Elisa Baker, secreted the victim, Zahra Baker, from family and others prior to and after the offense, delaying detection of the offense. That the defendant, number 3, Elisa Baker, desecrated the body of Zahra Baker to hinder detection, investigation, and prosecution of the offense. Number 4, that the victim, Zahra Baker, was very young, physically infirm, or handicapped. Number 5, that the defendant, Elisa Baker, took advantage of a position of trust or confidence, including a domestic relationship, to commit the offense. At this time, the state has no credible evidence to suggest that anyone other than Elisa Baker was involved in the murder of Zahra Claire Baker. I want to thank law enforcement for their hard work in the investigation, and at this point I recognize Hickory City Chief of Police, Tom Atkins.
The indictment of second-degree murder on Elisa Baker today is a milestone of holding someone accountable that members of Team Zahra have been working towards since the first words spoken on that 911 call made October 9, 2010. Since that day, the Hickory Police Department has been assisted by the North Carolina State Bureau of Investigation, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the U.S. Marshal Service, the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children's Team Adam. Also, the Hickory Fire Department, the Hickory Public Works Department, Caldwell County Office of Emergency Services along with their volunteers, and the Sheriff's offices of Caldwell, Catawba, and Burke counties played an important role in this case. We will continue our investigation and follow every lead until the first day of trial. Also, we will continue to work with District Attorney Jay Gaither in his office to provide a thorough investigative file and the facts of this case for the prosecution of Zahra's death. Over the last 4 months, many different theories of how and who is responsible for the death of Zahra have been made by anyone who has followed this case. Not every case is clear-cut, and only the facts and evidence of the case can dictate who is charged and for what offenses. We concur with the decision made today by the Catawba County Grand Jury. We are thankful for the support of our team has received during this investigation and the outpouring of love shown to remember Zahra from our community and the world. As we previously stated, any further details must be kept close to the investigation and will not be discussed in order to protect the integrity of this case. Not a day goes by that members of this team of professionals have not thought of Zahra or this case. Thank you.
For the Hickory Daily Record Online Unlimited, I'm Jeremy Detter.